Welcome to Alam's One, and in English to English vocabulary section, the word for today is diversity. Diversity. The word is used as a noun. That means collection of many different types or kinds. The condition or result of being changeable. For example, there are diversity of cultures and traditions in the world. Diversity of languages made it difficult for students to mingle freely. A very good quotation using the word diversity is, ultimately, America's answer to the intolerant man is diversity. The very diversity which our heritage of religious freedom has inspired, unquote, Robert Kennedy. So the meaning of the word diversity is a collection of many different types or kinds, or the condition or result of being changeable. If you have understood the meaning of the word diversity, then please make a sentence and write it in the comment section below so that you can remember it in future. If you like the video, then please do share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, then do so to get new vocabulary videos as soon as we upload them. Good luck and stay blessed.